Yo, rip it.
Why would I do something?
That was a nice little pull. Welcome back to another video of Ratchet Wrenches. We just did a pull. Yeah, we got a lot in store for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you had a great New Year's, and stay tuned for some ratchetness.
That's my goal, to make Austin throw up.
What was that, Wes?
I'm gonna make you throw up.
No, oh my god. Oh, no.
Back the shifter faster. Alright guys, we are doing a full wash detail buffing on my car today. Start off the new year strong. We got Austin here, we got Daniel over there.
It's like so spider webs. We're gonna do some paint correction.
Might be hard to see on this camera.
Hopefully we can get the whole car done.
Yeah.
Let's see with daylight.
Yeah. But first,
She's a little dirty.
she's bad. So
Yep.
we're gonna clean her up.
Start off with the bath. Oh, she looks mean. Keep that ratchet sticker.
Stickers, if you guys want that,
Yeah.
we're selling them for $5.
$5 a pop.
And we'll cover
Pretty
the
sick,
shipping.
honestly.
Yeah,
Check that
we're gonna
out.
have some new logos. We're gonna get merchandise soon. We're gonna have sweatshirts and everything.
Yep.
So if you guys want that, comment down below if you would like to see t-shirts, what color scheme, obviously more stickers, more designs, whatever you guys want to say.
So I just put a little bit of compound on the body,
We're doing the hood first.
and we're just gonna just do a quick buff. I got a brand new buffer.
So we're lightly going.
Want to keep it in a steady motion.
So I just did like a little bit. I just went slow, and then you buff it off, and so on and so forth. So I just did like one pass, so I'm just going to go over it and just wipe off the compound. I kept the speed slow. I didn't push hard. I just went very gentle over the top. Hopefully got a little bit of the orange peel out. This is, again, one pass, light, not crazy. Again, one light pass, not nuts. Look at that. It's great.
It's already shining.
Right? Okay, so real quick, just to recap, this side, put compound, dabbed a little bit on the hood, little dots, and I took the buffer, I wiped it in. Similar to, if you guys haven't seen, the video, we'll post it on the top, was it top left or top right?
Yeah.
For the
For the trunk.
For the trunk.
It's actually a very educational video. We had a little competition to see who could do it better.
Yep.
Obviously, he won.
So basically, same process as the trunk. Dab the compound on it, rub it in, and then just hold the buffer straight and just go in slow, straight back and forth motions. Don't push on it, just go nice and gentle.
Yeah, you don't want to burn it.
You don't want to burn through it. I have my speed set at like 1100, 1200-ish, kind of in the middle.
This is DeWalt.
DeWalt.
And when you get close to like corners and stuff, you might want to do it by hand. Like in here, we're gonna have to do that by hand because if we put the buffer, we might end up.
The buffer will catch and it will rip everything up, so we don't want to do that.
I mean,
Same with the
this.
wiper arms and
You
the
could
antenna.
see,
Austin hit my antenna, thank you.
I did. It was an accident. We both did. It was an accident.
Wait, I did it. You did. That was all you.
Oh yeah,
Blame
Dan
it on
did.
me.
No,
Snake.
Well, it's looking good. This part here too on the top, little fake hood scoop.
So we're just gonna do the front hood today because
It's getting dark and late,
dark.
it's getting
We're
chilly.
running low on
It is
it.
winter.
so Dan's doing this side right now.
So
We're
just gonna
setting
real
up.
quick. We're just gonna do this side from here up, and then we're gonna call it a day.
Yeah. All right, so Dirty Dan here decided he wanted to do the headlights. I'm not gonna say no to that. Oh, my bad.
So that's the one we're gonna do now.
Yeah.
So let's just get into it.
Let's get this towel. Clean her up.
Wow.
Damn.
Yeah, right?
Do that.
Stan got some love.
Yeah. Just the front end for today.
Yeah.
Let's see what Austin's doing back here. Yeah, what are you doing in my car?
You're making it great again.
Seems to be the theme for today. A little touch-up paint. What do you guys think? You like the spoiler on or off? I've had it off for a couple years. I think it looks good. Could always put it back on though.
It looks a lot better. It was once it dries.
Mm-hmm.
Put some heat on it.
So we just buffed the front end of the car, not the bumper, but just the hood and
Just the hood.
the fenders, and the car's already looking 100% better.
I'd say way better.
And I know it could be intimidating at first when you start doing this. You're like, man, I don't know if I want to like start buffing my car, might burn into my paint. Don't worry about it. Put the buffer on low setting. And I'm not like a veteran at this by any stretch of the imagination, but just take your time.
Go section by section.
Do section by section. Pick a panel. You can pick a fender. Start small and just do a little section if you're not feeling comfortable doing the whole thing, and just see how it looks. And then all you gotta do is when you're done buffing it, just go nice and slow and straight back and forth motion, and then buff it off with a dry towel, just the compound, and just see how it looks. You don't have to go nuts. Don't have to be fast. Just go nice and slow. And anyone can do it, guys. Really, it's not. You don't have to be some kind of. Yeah, you just need the right tools. We'll link everything in the description that we used for this. So right now, Wes is going to suds it down, and then we're just going to give it a quick soapy wipe down and get all the grease and oils from the compound off the car. And then once that's done, we're just going to rinse it off, dry it, and that's it.
All right,
Say
guys.
it
So we
again.
just finished washing and wetting down the front end. Got the boys scrubbing her down. That looks mint.
Wait till it's dry.
Wait till it's actually dry, yeah.
You'll see mint. Alright, guys. That is a wrap. Once again, I hope you guys had a good New Year. And 2019 has got big things for us. We got a project car coming. We're going to try and get a garage. We want this channel to blow up. We think we have great content. I hope you guys enjoy it. With all the support, I mean, we've had much positive feedback, and I can't thank you enough for that.
We want to thank all of our
helps.
subscribers. Thank you.
Yep, thank all of our subscribers. I mean, we got 600 subs now, and that was only within 6 months of taking this seriously. So we're gonna try to
We're only getting better from here.
Yeah, we're only getting better from here, and we're gonna try and devote more time to this because now that Dan's back from school, obviously we're all gonna be working, but we're gonna try and get this to pop off. So please help us out. Smash that subscribe button. Share the video. Like it. Comment. Whatever you want to do.
Whatever you guys want to see too.
Yeah, comment. I mean, you guys have been very good with comments. I mean, a lot of you guessed that GTO over there in the previous video. I don't know if you could see it yet. I mean, you guys are good. So you're like involved, and that's what we want. We want you guys to be involved. Sorry this outro's taking a little longer than usual, but see you next time. Peace.